I'm reviewing this Hamilton Beach a fridge. Yep, it's a fridge. You can like open it, and it has like a door with a handle. It's pretty cool, right? And that's where it locks in. And then it has like a timer to where you can put stuff on it. And guess what? You want to see a life hack? If you fill a cup like this up with some water, and then you open the fridge. You open the fridge. You put your water cup in the fridge. Close the fridge. You press time cook, and you press 8. Now it will cook for 8 seconds. Look, it's already in 4 seconds. That's cool. Yeah, it beeps like that. I don't know why. It scares me. Now, the water is warmer. Nice, refreshing, warm water.